You're about to find out the secret to becoming a millionaire. And it's as easy as creating a retirement account. But first, we have to go through the difference between the two main retirement accounts, which is a Roth IRA and a 401k. It seems like a really basic question, but a lot of people don't know the difference between the two. So I'll go over the differences and then we'll dive into how they can make you a millionaire. So let's go. So first, the 401k. If you work, you've probably heard of this one, but a 401k is a plan offered by your employer. It's only one of the benefits that companies offer to make you feel proud of working for them. And the key benefit is that you can invest with pre-tax dollars. This means that before paying taxes, you can take money out of your paycheck and invest it. It's nice because you can defer the tax payment until you're 65 and you take the money out. Another key benefit is that companies often offer a match. This is important because it's literally free money. Let's say you make $100,000 and your company matches 5% of your salary. So if you contribute $5,000, your company's also gonna contribute $5,000 to your plan. So that's an extra $5,000 that you get for doing absolutely nothing, except of course contributing to your plan. Then we have the Roth IRA, which is probably one of the biggest cheat codes that there are in the world. And that is because there's a retirement account that you put money in after you pay taxes, but the benefit is that money is gonna grow, and when you take it out when you're 65, you're not gonna have to pay taxes at all. Just for an easy illustration, let's say you put $1,000 in and you make $1 billion, you're not gonna pay taxes on that $1 billion of income that you made because you made it inside of the Roth IRA account. So the limit for this one, because it's so good, is only $6,500. But it absolutely makes a difference, as I'll show you later. So to summarize, there's three key differences between a 401k and a Roth. First, with a 401k, you pay the taxes when you retire. With a Roth, you pay the taxes today. Second, a 401k plan often offers a match, which is free money. That's why people say to contribute to the 401k up to the match and then max out your Roth IRA. And if you have extra money lying around, you can go back and max out your 401k. Lastly, something I didn't mention before, with a Roth, you have more flexibility because you can take out the money that you contribute without paying taxes or a penalty. So if you have a Roth account and you've contributed $10,000 and you have $10,000 in gains, you can take out the $10,000 you've contributed without having to pay taxes, not the $10,000 of gains that you have in the account. Now, the most important part of the video. Barney, how are these accounts gonna help me become a millionaire? So I'll give you an example. To make it simple, let's say you contribute $500 to your Roth per month. Just to be clear, you can contribute up to $540, I think it is. But let's say you contribute $500, which is $6,000 a year. And let's say you make $50,000 and you contribute 5% of your salary to a 401k account. That's $2,500 per year. But to make it simple, let's say it's $2,400 divided by 12. That's $200 per month. So in total, you'll contribute and invest $700 per month. And let's say you're 25 years old like myself and you're gonna retire in 35 years. And let's be conservative and say that the market is gonna go up on average 7% per year until you retire. That means that after 35 years, you'll have $1.1 million in your account. So retirement accounts, the best hidden secret in the world. A lot of people don't like them because they want the instant gratification of making money now. But at the end of the day, it's good to hedge your future. And a lot of people retire without enough money, and it's become probably the biggest stress of people in their 60s, whether they're gonna run out of money before they die. My recommendation to you is don't neglect your future. Obviously enjoy the present, but also take care of yourself in the future. This is Barney. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Peace.